Hey guys, and happy Wednesday. Welcome back to Writer's Workshop. Today we are launching a whole new theme. We're starting a whole new investigation. We are going to be studying stories to learn the ways authors make them special. So we get to be better writers, by reading great books. And those really great books that we love, we call them mentor texts. So when we read a mentor text, what makes that different from just a book that we love is that we really study the ways that the author does things that we really like that we could copy into our own writing. You might be saying, Miss Lowing, what the heck do you mean? Give me a second. So these cool tricks that writers use to catch your eye and your attention, we call those craft moves. And today, we're going to be looking at a couple of craft moves that we see in one of my all-time favorite books, Rollercoaster. This one is pretty exciting, as you can probably tell just by the cover. So today when you are taking a look at this book, I want you to really keep your eye out for places where the author bolded words. You can see that example there, made them even darker and maybe even a different color entirely. And also for places where the author has used something called ellipses. Do you see those dots, 3 dots in a row? That's called an ellipses. And we use those to build suspense because we're kind of waiting to see what happens at the other end of the ellipses. So you guys, you're going to see that there's a slide where you can listen to this book, and I want to show you a couple of specific examples in that book to look for, okay? So look at this incredible example of the author using bold words. Whoosh! Scooching right across that page and in bright red, really catches my eye. Now take a look at this example of where the author used ellipses, those dots. So she's saying slowly the train is pulled up the hill by a chain, clickety, clackety, clickety, clackety, up, up, and then dot. Man, I am waiting to see what happens next there. So, take 15 minutes today to look at a book that you love. And I want you to see if you can find 2 craft moves from that book. So, sometimes it's not going to be just a bolded word or an ellipses. You could take a look at this example here. Look at how the author adds the dash between each letter in the word slowly to really draw it out. So you may, while you're looking at your mentor text, find a different way that the author is really grabbing your attention or building suspense. And you're going to go ahead and write that down on I'm going to say 2 sticky notes. Try and find 2 craft moves in the book that you're reading today. And then for the last 15 minutes, I want you to go ahead and try and use a craft move. You could bold a word to draw attention or add a dot and ellipses to really build suspense. I think you're going to have a lot of fun using these craft moves as you're writing today. I can't wait to see what other craft moves you find in the books that you're reading. Thanks so much for coming today, you guys. Have fun writing. Bye.